Good evening and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. So Monday was a day where the markets were quite enthused, and yesterday was a day where markets took a breather, and then today was the day when markets fell quite sharply. And now through most of the day, benchmark indices were pretty range bound and within a narrow range, that too. But towards the last hour of trade, both the Sensex and the Nifty corrected pretty sharply and ended with the losses of around 1.2 to 1.3%. The nervousness came in as traders decided to sit on cash and book whatever gains they might have or not ahead of the release of the FOMC minutes. The BSE Sensex finally finished at 20,635 and the Nifty closed at 6122. If you look at broader markets, metals were the only index which ended with marginal gains. The metal index was up around 0.16%. The BSE Bankex was the biggest loser, down around 1.8%, and the consumer durables index was down around 1.6%. Coming to individual stocks, there was some news-driven stock movement. So Jet Airways was in the news for announcing the closure of its deal with the Etihad Airways, and that stock was up around 1.6%. Also, Bombay Dyeing was in the news as it refuted media reports that a plot of land in Mumbai was to be taken over by the municipal corporation, and that stock gained around 4.7% today. Sugar stocks were also in the news ahead of a government meeting to decide a bailout package for that industry. Bajaj Hindustan was up around nearly 14%, Balrampur Chini was up around 9.5%, and Sri Renuka Sugars was also up around 8%. Coming back to the Sensex names, at the bottom of the pile we find names which have been gaining recently. There's some profit booking there. So an ICICI Bank was down around 2.8%. Also Bharti Airtel was down around 2.5%. At the top, at the gaining end were stocks which have actually been losing. So there was some bargain hunting there. Coal India was up around 1.8%. Sesa Sterlite was up around 1%. And Tata Power was up around 0.7%. That's all from me. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.